Dobrodošli na kanal George Smith.
The astronauts aboard the Artemis 2 are on track to reach the far side of the moon by tomorrow. Once they do it, it'll be the furthest distance from Earth humans have ever been. Today, they are expected to enter the lunar sphere of influence, where the moon's gravity will have stronger pull on the Orion spacecraft. Will have a stronger pull on the Orion spacecraft.
It was just absolutely spectacular. I think that one of the interesting things that happens when you look at a moon that inherently just looks different is like the darker parts just aren't quite in the right place, and something about you senses that is not the moon that I'm used to seeing. And sure enough, we got out our lunar targeting information, and we matched up, and we're like, yeah, that is the dark side. That is something we have never seen before.